LD! LD, it's a windy evening. Ooh, gotta shake. LD. There goes LD. LD. Smile for the camera, LD. LD, are you the cutest bunny? It's May 28th. It's a Monday, Memorial Day here in the U.S. And LD's out in the yard in his jogging suit. LD, I'm going to catch you. I'm going to catch you, LD. There goes LD. LD, I'm going to get you. Close up for LD. Where are you going, LD? LD. I'm going to get you. Oh, I'm going to get you. There's Effie. Hey, Effie. Say hi for the camera. Effs. Effie Cupcake. Sexy Effie Cupcake. Effie. LD. Oh, Effie, you look so beautiful. Little tongue. Effie. Oh, there's Effie's white paw. Effie. Yes. And who do we have down here? Oh, it's Odie. Odie in the box. There's Effie. Effie. Yes. Effie, you like the breeze? Okay, I'm gonna go find LD. Okay, I'm gonna go find LD. Here's LD. Hey, buddy. There goes LD. LD, your hair's blown in the wind. LD, you look like a Schnauzer bunny. Oh, LD. Hey, bud. Okay, you want me to get you? Here goes LD. I'm gonna get you, LD. Here you go. Here goes LD. And there's Odie. Odie, you hiding in the box? Odie. What do you got on the bottom of your face, Odie? Who's Effie?